else?
I'm recording, though.
You don't need to hold it in, dude.
We talked. Ready?
What? I'm not.
Okay. We talked about these three forms of variation: direct, inverse, joint.
So much easier.
We took direct,
Because they don't want it.
and we talked about y equals kx. K is your constant. We can rearrange it a little bit if you want. This was input constant, or excuse me, input constant, output with inverse variation. It was basically division. Your constant divided by your input. You again can rearrange those. And then when we talk about jointly, again, all constant. It's basically the same as direct, except we throw a third value in there. Okay, so hopefully my job will allow you to get things done before you walk out today. I think you can. You get your whole assignment done. So, what's the process here? What you're going to be given is, what I would encourage you to do is, number one, write the variation with just letters. Write the variation. Write it out.
This video is going to be awful.
Okay? And these are good procedures to follow. I think it's important, number one, to write it out with only variables. And we'll call them letters for all you youngsters out there. Two, you're going to substitute values and solve for k. Find that constant. So for example, if I said, hey, my check was $120 and I make $10 an hour, could you find out what, how many hours I worked?
12.
Yeah, you can figure it out. You can figure it out. Or let's say I told you, hey, I made $120 an hour. I worked 12 hours.
You made $10 an hour.
I made $10. So tomorrow I'm supposed to work 8 hours. How much money am I going to make?
$8.
That's the process. Obviously with simple numbers. And people
MCRC
that are
coming in
doing a
strong.
great job of paying attention can figure that out quickly. So substitute and solve for k. And then 3, answer the question, dorks. So for example, look at letter A up there. Here's some little clues that I would encourage you to think about. Direct and joint mean what operation? What operation are you performing with
multiplication?
Direct? Yeah, so when we see direct, we're thinking multiply, joints, always multiply. How about inverse? What do you see?
You're looking at division.
Wow, Jack, you're just on fire today.
I am.
You just want to, hey, you want to get him on video too?
Oh, I already did, but yeah.
He performs well.
Performs well on
Lights
video.
on.
Yep.
That looks really good on your resume.
He steps up when he needs to.
Yeah, good job. Okay, so if y varies inversely as x squared and x da 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 da. So let's focus on just terminology. If y varies inversely. If y varies inversely. So once I see y varies, that's basically your equal sign. Inversely, what operation? As x squared. So how am I going to write that? Look at somebody and tell them what you think.
You're gonna write
What do you guys think?
8 equals 6 or something.
So it'll be k over what though?
64. Calling it now.
We're working with x squared. We're working with y. So if y varies, once you see varies, you're going to have equals k.
Sounds cool.
Guaranteed. Every time you see varies. So we're learning to translate a little bit. You're going to see equals k. So equals k, and then inversely means divided as x squared. I would encourage you to write that out every single time.
But it's not what it's going to be.
No. The next one doesn't have. And then I got another one too. Okay. So that's step 1. Step 2. And x equals 2. So now I'm going to substitute to solve for k.
Oh, what a move.
X is 2, so put 2 in, but I have to square it.
So it's
And
4.
y equals 8. Can you tell me what k is? 32. K divided by 4 equals 8. So we know that common sense k equals 32.
Oh, you were so close.
There's step 2.
Times 2.
We substituted and we solve for k. Answer. Find y. Now I'm going to go back up here. Find y. What's my k value? 32. When x is 6. So 32 over 36, which is
8
obviously
over 9.
8 ninths. I'll tell you what. Randstar's on fire today.
I am.
Just effort all the time.
All out hustle.
And you're sitting next to Matt, and you're still paying attention. That's awesome. Your therapy's going much better. All right. Try it.
Okay. I'll go through that.
Should I stop?
Someone add a line.
No, because I only want one video. Just show it on KMac or something.
You're on the hot seat.
Rach is really into showing herself off lately. Oh, here, good. Just set it down.
I think Crease.
I'll just set it down right here.
Okay, you got only. We don't want to waste a lot of film time on Jack.
All right.
Yeah.
They're
It's already
boring.
All
done.
right, now
It's
put
pretty
it
good
back
looking
up.
though.
Here we go. Oh no, you got it. Z
I didn't even do it.
varies. What am I going to write now?
Equals K.
Equals K. Now it says jointly. I better have 2 other letters. As X and Y. How many of you can do it from here? I would hope so, because now, once we have this set up, we are substituting and solving for K. Z equals 80. We're finding K. X equals 5.
Models.
And Y equals 4. What's K? Come on.
4.
Good job, Brucey.
Now I'm going to come back. And I'm going to find Y. Find Y when Z is 50. K value is 4. And my X value is 3. Can you do it?
It's Moldes.
Writing fast.
4 and a 6th, is it? Some people just put 25 over 6. Okay, now we're going to use our ears on this one. Ears on this one. Are you ready? I'm going to say it slow. What I want you to do is write it out with the letters. Okay, are you ready?
No.
That would be a yes.
Just do it anyways.
We can always come back to that.
Freaking
Come on, Matt, I'll give you time. We got
Freaking
film.
bums.
We got
Yeah,
film
it's gonna
going
be on
on
the
here.
blog.
This is blog film.
This is professional.
Breathe out. Suck in through the
Noobs,
nose. Breathe
right
out
there,
through the mouth. That
noobs.
helps. Okay, here we go. Are you ready?
Okay. Like this big
Are you ready?
was blown up a balloon.
All right, Paige is ready.
Such a good answer.
Here comes the listening skills.
White.
If C varies, what should we write now? C equals K. If C varies directly as D. Katie, you know her. Everybody got that so far? C varies directly to D. Uh-oh, are you ready? And inversely as F. What's inversely mean?
Divide.
You're great.
This is crazy.
Isles, I wasn't talking about you. You do that little mental therapy thing. Yeah, it's on film. It's done now. Don't tell anybody.
They already know.
They all know.
They all know because you're on film right now. Smile.
Wave.
You're on candid camera.
He has worldwide.
Have you
Wave.
ever taken a test too? All right. So, can you set that up? Yeah. All right. You ready? C is 40. C is 40. D is 20. And F is 2. So what's step 2? Substitute and solve for K. What's my K value?
I'm gonna have to multiply by 2 on both sides. So 20k equals
K equals
I
4
think
again,
Jackson
doesn't
made
it?
his video
divide by 20.
more than Cooley.
K equals 4.
Find C. Find C. What's my K value again?
4.
When D is 60 and F is 4. Oh, that's tough. Jeez.
C equals 60.
120 divided by 4.
Hey, cancel your 4
I
story.
know, I know.
Divide by 4.
Wait, what?
Hey.
Okay, so
They know how to do it.
60 divided
They don't know how to do 4 times 60.
Come on.
Yeah, let's get that on video.
Yeah.
Oh, we did.
One of them said, okay, so it's 120 divided by
You can
10.
shut it down.